10 steps to optimize your Google My Business listing for your HVAC or appliance repair company. Hi, this is Marlon with the Appliance Experts, and today we want to cover 10 easy, simple steps if you want to optimize your Google My Business listing to get more customers. So let's just look at some of the highlights in this article, and if any of it interests you, you can go ahead and check it out on our blog for more details. So we discuss why an optimized Google My Business profile is a must-have for HVAC and appliance repair companies. We talk about having the key information that's accurate, so name, phone number, address. We discuss claiming a short name for your HVAC appliance repair company, and we go in detail what exactly that is. We discuss writing a detailed business promotion description. We talk about different categories and subcategories that your GMB listing should have. We talk about uploading quality photos, the importance of responding to reviews, whether good or bad. And you should always respond to reviews, especially the bad ones. Google also is looking out for businesses that are responding to reviews, that are actually active with their Google My Business listing. So this, while it may not be a major ranking factor, it could be later on. So it's important that you are responding. And consumers want to see that too, right? Because it actually displays the level of customer service. We also cover the post feature, the question and answer feature, connecting your social media profiles, and staying up to date. So if any of this interests you, go ahead and check out the article at our blog. There's a link below the video. This is Marlon with the Appliance Experts, and I'll talk to you soon.